Hi traders, welcome back to JJP Trading Academy. Today in this video we are going to see the full review about our JJP automated moneymaker indicator for the live market of 17 October 2022. So in the previous video I have posted the video about how our strategy is working with Nifty and Bank Nifty, the full strategy setup, and how we are going to do automation through our strategy we have discussed in the previous videos. So you can see the previous video, so then only you can understand how our strategy is giving the good result and how much points has been met with the previous year of backtest. So right now you can see our strategy has been taken in entry today perfectly, and we have also automated our strategy with Nextdoor bot as well as the trade run. So I will be showing you the full overview about 17 October 2022. So you can see today trades has been taken, three trades with the Nifty. So one trade has been hit at 17 points and another trade is minus of 20. Second trade 21 points stop loss hit it, and the third trade 10 points has been reached. So this is what the performance of 17th October. So you can see totally we got only 6 points for this Nifty trade, Nifty 5 minutes intraday trading. So as per the same trade we have taken with, so you can see as the same trade it has been taken for Nifty. So Nifty, the first trade has been taken with strike price 17,200 call option. So at that time market auto strike price selection, it has been taken the trade, and at 154 and it has been squared off here. So 225 rupees loss for 100 quantity. So two lots of option we are trading right now. So then only we can get the same result as it is in the index. So that for this trade entry 100 quantity the trade has been taken, and the first trade has been got only 225 points, and the second trade 100 points we have taken, 100 quantity we have taken, and it has been met with a stop loss of 11 points. So this trade has been given you a loss of 1090 rupees for two lots of options. And finally with the third trade it has been given you only 850 points. So gradually today we have met with the cost to cost for Nifty trade entry. So let us see with the Bank Nifty performance also. So in the Bank Nifty you can see, so this is next level what automation paper trading I am showing right now. So the trades has been perfectly executed same as it is our automated moneymaker indicator strategy. So right now you can see the list of trade for the Bank Nifty index. So Bank Nifty index almost three trades has been executed today. Three. So the first trade has been taken 166 points with the trailing stop loss. So totally from this point 955 to here the trailing stop loss has been met at. So 166 points has been reached with the trailing stop loss. And the second trade has been met with 16 point loss. Stop loss has been hit. So once the market started moving, our exit condition has been satisfied in this candle, so that we got exit. So 16 points has been hit. And finally the third trade again it has been taken for buy entry, and this trade also met with 107 points. So totally today we got 257 points with the Bank Nifty index. So as it is, if you are implementing two lots in options you will be getting the result here. So you can see right now the first trade has been we have taken with two lots of Bank Nifty options, 50 quantity. So the first trade we got a profit of 5 5112 point 112 rupees the first trade, and in the second trade we lost 382 rupees, and the third trade we lost 2672. So this is what the performance of Bank Nifty also. So the same performance totally for Bank Nifty and Nifty, we got today profit 7387 has been met for today trade. So this is what the performance of Bank Nifty and Nifty both combined. So you can calculate separately according to your need. So if you are implementing the Nifty strategy, so you can go with Nifty. Otherwise, if you are going to Bank Nifty you can understand how to do the automation with our indicator strategy. So if you are currently right now we have connected Alice Blue and paper trading right now with our strategy for next level bot automation, as well as right now you can also do the automation with TradeTron also. The same trades has been taken for paper trading with TradeTron platform. TradeTron right now it's showing you the same paper traded result. So if you want to implement any other demats rather than the Alice Blue, then you can go for Tradetron platform. So Tradetron platform also giving a good automation execution. So if you want to do with the Nextdoor bot, then surely you can go with the Alice Blue right now. And we have also connected with Master Trust. So the same syntax we got it for Alice Blue as well as Master Trust. So you can go with the Master Trust DMAT also. So whatever the DMATs we try to connect for connect for Nextdoor bot continuously, we are working for that. Surely whatever the DMATs you have, you can WhatsApp us right now on 7200556708. You can do the automation full setup. We will be doing it for you. If you want to get access, kindly WhatsApp us. Thank you, traders.